Hey guys, it's Bethany with ABCuteCreations here with another tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how to do the chainless starting double crochet. If you're interested in this pattern, I will link to that down below. I do show you how to work up this heart stitch. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay up to date on all of my current projects and tutorials. Okay, so you can see I have come to the end of this row and I need to turn my work. So you first turn your work, you're not going to do any chains. You're going to simply lift up to about the height of what a double crochet is. And you're going to hold on right here to your stitch. You're going to wrap your hook around and then come in front of your working yarn. And you're going to insert into that top stitch. You're going to yarn over, pull it through that top stitch. You're still holding on over here. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now you can let go of that stitch. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. So that's just a neater way of doing your starting double crochet instead of chaining 2. When you do the chain 2, then it actually doesn't come out quite as neat. Like you can see down here, I did a chain 2 and then I did my first double crochet into that first stitch. So you end up with extra bulk on the side and it can kind of make it go zigzag. So if you want a more seamless look, then you're going to go ahead and do this. So I'll show that again. And keep in mind, the only time you're going to be doing this is at the beginning of a row where it calls for a double crochet right at the beginning. So you start like this, but you're going to turn your work, then you pull up your loop to about the height of your double crochet. You're going to hold on here, yarn over using that loop, and then you're going to insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pick up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, you can now let go, and yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is the chainless starting double crochet. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them for me down below. And again, remember to subscribe to stay up to date on all of my current projects and tutorials. I have a lot of great unique gift ideas for Christmas, so be sure to check those out. And if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them for me down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.